accueilli des contingents venant de Jamaïque et de Belize. Et comme nous connaissons, ils viennent là pour le travail, pour rejoindre les forces kenyanes qui étaient déjà sur place et côté pour dégager une synergie pour adresser les problèmes d'insécurité que nous avons là, que nous avons fait face à lui.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty God for having given us this opportunity to gather here today for the sole purpose of welcoming our brothers from Jamaica and Belize for this special mission that we are undertaking. The arrival of the officers to join us is greatly welcome. It is going to synergize our ongoing joint operations between HNP and the MSS that are aimed at ensuring that Haitians enjoy security in their country. Since we started the targeted operations, we have recorded successes that must go unnoticed. I'm happy that the CARICOM advance team, that's the Belize and Jamaica, who are now here, and we are going to have more security operations because they are coming with a special strength. I'm happy MSS is now a fully multinational functional mission. I wholeheartedly welcome my brothers from Jamaica and Belize to join us in the theater. I take this moment to sincerely thank the people of Haiti. I'm still thanking the people of Haiti, the Haitian authorities, the non-governmental organizations, the Haitian police, the military of Haiti,